MobyMax's charts and graphs help teachers gain valuable insights into student performance and adjust their teaching strategies accordingly. To get started, select the Tools tab at the top of the page after signing into your MobyMax teacher account. Click the Charts and Graphs button under Report. The Classroom tab provides data on your entire class's performance. You can view data for all modules or click a subject link at the top to filter the data by subject area. Select the links along the left-hand side to view data sorted by usage, active, skills, progress, and predictor. Use the drop-down menus on certain charts and graphs to view data by group or for a specific time frame. Hover your cursor over a chart or graph to see more information. Click the star next to the name of any chart or graph to save it to your favorites list. Additionally, click the printer icon in the upper right-hand corner to print any charts or graphs shown. To view data for a specific student, click the Student tab and then select the student from the drop-down menu. MobyMax gives teachers access to easy-to-use charts and graphs to visualize student progress.